Hi everyone, welcome back to Mama's Nook for another DIY craft video. If you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when I post a new video. Today I'm sharing a charming decor piece to hang on the wall or the door for St. Patrick's Day. Materials used include a round wood blank, cardstock and cardboard, paint, twine, rainbow ribbon, vinyl, gold coins, shamrock necklace, and hot glue. To save time, I have prepped some pieces ahead of time. Using my Cricut, I cut an image of the leprechaun from vinyl and mounted it onto cardboard. The gold pot is cut from cardstock and mounted onto cardboard. If you don't have a cutting machine, you could print images and hand cut them. I have also painted the wood piece with a coat of acrylic sky blue paint. So let's put this together. So the first thing I'm going to do is prepare my coins inside the pot. So I'm just going to slide some in here like this. And I'm going to turn it over and add just a dab of glue. And I'm going to just position. And I'm going to take my rainbow ribbon dab the glue at the top just to hold it. And down here at the bottom. Okay, so now I want to glue my pot on. And we'll glue our little leprechaun on. And I'm going to add some more coins. So I wasn't fond of how large these hanging holes are on this particular wood round, so I'm going to cover them with shamrocks that I have cut off of these necklaces. And I have a little horseshoe that I'm going to add to the pot here. Now, before I add more shamrocks, I have a little quote to put on here. It says, "A wee bit Irish." And then we'll add some more gold coins down at the bottom. And we'll fill in with a few more shamrocks. Then we're all finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a like. I would really appreciate your support. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, bye for now.